So James wanted me to express to you, there's a little bit, if you don't have a chance to go out and get the channel locks, or in James's case, he didn't want to go get the channel locks. Hey, why don't you just tap on the plastic lid when you're trying to get that. It's kind of hard to get loose. So what I did was, and I'm not strong enough to take that. But just in case, you know, you might consider doing that if you don't want to go out to get the channel locks. Might be a barn across a football field or something. But certainly want to tighten it up good. Anyway, another experience along the way. See ya.